Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn 30 smart substitute words. So let's begin. Very strong, powerful, very weak, feeble, very old, ancient, very young, juvenile, very lazy, indolent, very eager, keen, very calm, serene, very shy, timid, very rude, impolite, very funny, hilarious, very surprised, astonished, very afraid, terrified, very smart, brilliant, very beautiful, gorgeous, very slow, sluggish, very fast, rapid, very bad, terrible, very good, excellent, very hot, scorching, very cold, freezing, very dirty, filthy, very clean, spotless, very boring, tedious, very loud, deafening, very quiet, silent, very bright, luminous, very dark, pitch black, very poor, destitute, very rich, wealthy, very beautiful, breathtaking. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.